Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Learning Guitar. Teddy Swims here with Hammer to the Heart. Alright, so we will cover this with the capo set here on the 2nd fret. Alright, so we have a couple chords to go over. I believe there are six chords, yes. So let's look at E minor first. So E minor is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We have B minor, so that's a bar chord. You play the bar here on the 2nd fret, so you don't have to bar the last E string. So the 5 strings below there would be enough, and then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. We also utilize the B7 here, so that is pretty much, it's very similar to the B minor. You just keep this, all right? So you take away the mid finger and the little pinky, and instead you play the little pinky on the 4th fret B string. Everything else is the same, so that gives us the bar still in the same place there on the 2nd fret, 5 strings, and then you need to add 4th on D and 4th on B. So there you have your B7. All right, over to the A minor chord. That is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have C as well. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord is G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. Alright, so let's take a look at the strumming here. And you have two alternatives from my perspective. We have one that is more focused on the beat there. We have the down, up, clap, up. Okay, so that is one round. So down, up, clap, up. Right? But we also have the one that is more focused on the strumming and the rhythm here, and it goes, instead of the clap, you replace that with another down. So when you do that, then you're gonna play that down more on the higher strings, the higher notes down here. All the other downs and ups, you play a little more on the mid bass area. So bass, bass, top, bass, down, up, down, up. And this second string pattern here, the down, up, that is what I prefer for this song. Anyway, you can choose, and let's take a look at the different parts of the song. So we're gonna start with the verse play. You're gonna play E minor, 4 string rounds, B minor, 4, A minor, 4, then back to E minor 2 and B minor 2. You're gonna play that chord progression for only one round in the verses. So E minor 4, 3, 4, B minor 4, 2, 3, 4, A minor 4, 2, 3, 4, then E minor 2, B minor 2. That is the verse play. Then comes the pre-chorus. You're gonna continue here with the same strumming throughout the song. And you're gonna play C4 now, A minor 4, G4, and B7 4. You're gonna play that for only this one round. So C, A minor, G, and B7. All right, and now over to the chorus. You're gonna play very similar to the verse play. A little bit difference there in the ending. It's E minor 4, B minor 4, A minor 4. So far, it's the same, but now you're gonna go to B minor 2 and B7 2. And you're gonna play it for only this one round. So E minor, B minor, A minor, B minor, and B7. That's the first round of everything, the chorus as well. So we had the second round here, and no changes there. So verse play 1 round, pre-chorus 1 round, chorus 1 round. So no changes there. And then after this second chorus, you have a bridge part. We're now about 1 minute and 51 seconds into the song. Now you're gonna keep the E minor for 20 rounds. All right, so E minor, 20 rounds of that. And then after these 20 rounds, you're gonna go over and play the final chorus, and that's chord progression round there: E minor 4, B minor 4, A minor 4, B minor 2, B7 2. You're gonna play for 3 rounds, and with these 3 rounds, it ends with Teddy Swims' Hammer to the Heart. So pretty straightforward song, pretty simple strumming pattern, and with the capo set here on the second fret, gives you the best chords. So give it a try. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you do, please feel free to like this tutorial and support me in that way. Thank you, and play tuned.